Hi, myself Adarsh. My team name is Python. Our idea is to develop a sharing charging model to solve the location problem for EV charging station. We are going to design a web portal where anyone can navigate to any nearby charging station. Apart from that, user will also get information about crowding of a charging station so that user can navigate to less crowded charging station. For this, every EV charging station across our country will get registered into our website and have to install RFID reader to their stations. Users have to add passive RFID tags to their e-vehicles to get the details about number of vehicles entering and exiting at a particular charging station. From that, we can get information about number of unoccupied charging points available inside a charging station as well as its crowding. Then that data will be transferred to cloud and eventually to the database. From database, this information will reflect to our map. With the help of Google Map API, we will add location of every charging station in map present inside our website. We will add online booking system for everyone so that anyone can book their port for a particular time slot. For emergency cases, we should reserve at least one charging port where user can get urgent charging by booking their slot at extra cost. Websites also contains rating and review section of each charging station. Website will also have problem redressal section and feedback section. In flowchart, we can see that when an electrical vehicle having passive RFID tag on their windshield passes through a power station, their entry will get recorded with the help of RFID reader installed at entry and exit of power station. Then that information will be stored to cloud with the help of internet connectivity. After that, that information will be saved on database. After saved on database, that information will passes to our map, which will be present in our web portal. We are going to add every charging stations to our web portal. So, if any user want to find nearby charging station in our app, he or she will get multiple options. Apart from that, they can check crowding of any nearby station by simply clicking on the marker of the charging station present on our map. After that, they can choose any charging station. Then they can book their slot by paying money and can navigate to that station. If their vehicle's battery is 10% or less, then they can book emergency port by paying extra amount. The technology stack which we require to make this project is passive RFID tags, RFID reader, Microsoft Azure Cloud Web Service, DBMS, React, PHP, Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, HTML5 geolocation API, Google Maps API, JavaScript, and MySQL. Use cases of our idea are since status of unoccupied EV charging points availability are updating continuously, user can easily choose a better EV charging station to navigate. Since this website has its own map, so anyone can get information about distance between nearest charging station and his or her current location. Apart from that, user can also get information about traffic present in navigation of a particular charging station so that they can choose their time slot wisely. Users only have to add RFID tag once to their e-vehicle and have to register to our website. Apart from that, there will be information about battery swapping facility of a particular EV charging station. In emergency cases, battery swapping facility will be boon for user. Users can book emergency port only if they have 10% or less charge left. Users can rate and review a charging station so that other users can check its reliability. Websites has also features like problem redressal so that user can also ask questions about charging stations facilities. Users can also get in contact with charging station supervisor or manager with the help of contact details available on our website. Websites has also features like feedback section where user can give feedback about our web application so that we will try to modify our website regularly. This website will have only authorized charging station, unlike of other maps where fake charging stations waste users' time. We will also develop app along with this website later on. The physical dependencies required to fulfill this project are RFID passive tag, RFID reader, internet connection at charging stations, proper network on server side. Other dependencies include Microsoft Azure Clouding Service, search engine optimization, MySQL, Google Maps API, HTML5 geolocation API, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, HTML, PHP, React, Azure Cloud Web Hosting, etc. Thanks for hearing us, Team Python.